Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Today I am going to discuss what happens if you drink olive oil on an empty stomach. The people who are first time in our channel, please subscribe, and who are already subscribed, thank you very much. Please ring the bell icon to get all the new updates. To know everything clearly in this video, please be with us till the end. So friends, let's go to our main topic. So you can see the extra virgin olive oil. We are here to learn what happens if we drink olive oil on an empty stomach. You can also see the other bottle of olive oil which you can use in your skin. We have taken a portion of olive oil in a pot, and the extra virgin olive oil is especially for cooking. We can go now to our main topics. Number 1. Heal the colon. Olive oil protects our cells from damage that leads to cancer. It also improves the patency of the colon and provides relief from constipation. Number 2. For better skin, nails, hair and bones. Olive oil is also beneficial for skin, nails and hair. It softens, repairs, nourishes, moisturizes and promotes nail and hair growth. We can use it like a hair or skin mask, but olive oil will be more helpful if it is taken internally. Number 3. It cleans the liver. The liver performs a very important function for our body. It cleans all of our internal systems, but sometimes we need to detox the liver itself, and you can do this with olive oil. To get the best results, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil and the juice of 1/3 lemon in a glass and then consume. Number 4. It helps in losing weight. Olive oil contains a huge amount of fatty acids, which are a healthier type of fat that can give you a feeling of fullness. It is the best replacement for butter. Number 5. It improves the immune system. The fatty acids in olive oil play a great part in different immune functions, among them the regulations and support of the immune system and even the treatment of autoimmune diseases. So friends, how do you feel to enjoy this video? Definitely thanks for watching. Please make sure to leave a like with comments and subscribe with notifications on. Please share the video with your dearest ones. Take care and goodbye for today till the next video.